Hi, my name is Jono. I'm one of the chiropractors here at Pain Free Physio, and today we're going to be talking about neck orthotics, also known as the Denneroll, in order to reshape your neck if you have been told that it is either too straight or actually curved backwards. So in the beginning, the Denneroll can be really uncomfortable, and the idea is that you want to be able to get up to 20 minutes lying flat on your back with this under your neck to get the most benefit. But before that, if it is too painful, we'll start off with a rolled towel. So you want an old towel. The older the better, because they're just not as fluffy and they'll give you a bit more firmness when you do the roll. So that was folded in half, and then you're going to fold it in thirds. And then you're going to roll the towel up as tight as you can. So you get a nice, firm, slightly bigger than a drink bottle sized roll. And it's going to mimic your Denneroll quite closely. If the towel is too thick or too fluffy, your roll might be too big. So you want to make sure that it is close to the same size as the Denneroll as possible to get the best effect. So once you've got the right shape, all you're going to do is put the roll up nice and tight to your shoulders and have the neck resting on the towel. And you want to aim for about 20 minutes, as we will be doing with the Denneroll. If you feel like 20 minutes is too easy, you can actually get a small book and pop that underneath the towel, and that might give you just a little bit more pressure. So if you're having any headaches or migraines or neck pain, come into the clinic and we'll give you a proper assessment to see if the Denneroll is the right treatment for you.